nice little bead there to get me going. And then I'm just going to run that down, light pressure, just trying to get some of the humps from where I started and stopped out. It's going to make that kind of lay down better, if you will. All right, then I'm just going to take about 1 inch of this away, just to go ahead and clean up those edges so that the edges are not sitting here drying on me. Just like that. And look, I'm going to scrape that little bit and this little bit right there. I'm going to take my fingers dry, run that across. I'm going to run that across. Just keeps all that garbage off of there. That when I'm sitting here scraping, little things like this will hold your mud right up and put lines in it and grooves. So it's very important to stay as clean as you can, not yourself, but what you're working with through the process. It just makes the mud application go a lot better for you. So the cleaner you can try to be with your hands, the knife, the pan, all that, it all plays a role. Once you have all that in play, we're going to take this guy right at the top. Okay, and I'm going to push in up here at the top. See how he slid down there on me? That's fine. Once I get him started, I'm holding up here with this hand, and I'm taking both of my hands here, and I'm going to start pushing this guy right into play. Then I'll do the same thing. You can do one side at a time and then switch, however's easier for you. That's it. I'm going to get this right off my hands here from pushing all that. And we're going to come back. Now, unlike the paper tape, you don't really have to start in the middle with this guy. It's not going to run like that on you. I like to start from the bottom here with this part of the application. Okay, I'm going to get some mud on there. And I'm going to pull that guy right up. What I'm doing there, just so you know, I'm pushing in firmer on the right side and kind of leaving my left side there, leaving a lip behind. Because what I can do is after I'm done with that, I can come over here like that and I can get that lip. Same thing up here. And I'm just going to reverse that pressure. Then I'm going to get that lip off. Make sure that edge is completely submerged. So I scooted away from the inner part and I came out here right about where those red lines are and started applying a little bit of firm pressure. That's going to get those edges to lock without any problems of air. Just like that. Now I'm going to get out of the way so you can see. So, when I go to get this out of the pan, okay, all this is contaminated. Look, check this out. See all the little bumps and the dips and the doos? These are all 3D. This is going to hold my mud up. That's why I keep a trash bucket right here. So if this part of my mud is good, I'm getting this off the pan and getting this junk here that's going to hold me up. Look at that. Okay, see the BBs and the junk in it. Gonna get that off of there. And before I stick this back in here, that's why I rinse it off. Now just take my fingers, light pressure, and I like to keep that lip clean so that I'm not continuing to do this right there, and that's bringing junk right on my knife. Those little crumbs that put all those lines in your mud work. So that's it. Every, we've already showed you a flat. We've showed you a perimeter now. We're going to get the rest of this finish out same way, same application, and again, everybody's different. So this is just our way. We hope this helps you at home. But, at the end of the rainbow, speed will come. It comes with everything. Practice makes perfect. So, this is a good technique and a good way to get your tape and your mud and all that put into play. Have bubble-free, blister-free. That is the whole point behind these couple of steps right here. So we hope this helps you at home. We're going to get all this wrapped up and bring you back in, and we're going to show you the next coats coming up in line. Help you out in your journey. Till the next one.